Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. After the holidays, welcome back. Before holidays, we was in the fifth unit, and which is children and women's in sports. Okay, so we have already discussed few topics: meaning of motor development, gross motor development, fine motor development, and motor development in children. Today our topic is factors affecting motor developments. We will discuss the factors which affects the motor development in the different childhood stages, right? Just have a quick look in the last or previous topic. Okay, meaning of motor development. It means the development which is related to the body, muscles and bones, that is called motor development. And there was two types: gross motor development, fine motor development, in which first was gross motor development, in which the big muscles, or we can say large muscles of the body takes part. Those activities are called or are related with the gross motor development. Okay, there was the second type, fine motor development, in which the small muscles involves, that is fine motor development, like writing, holding the javelin, etc. Motor development in children, we discussed the three stages of uh, motor development, which were early childhood, middle childhood, and late childhood. Okay, so early childhood age was 2nd to 6th year, middle childhood runs 7 to 10 years, and late childhood is related to the age of 11th and 12th years. Okay, so today's topic is factors affecting motor developments. We will discuss about the which are the factors which affects the development of a child. In that series, first is biological, or we can say genetic factor, right? Listen children, biological factor, or we can say genetic factor, is related to the genes which we get from our parents. Okay, this is also known as heredity. You all know that what is heredity. Whatever we get from the parents, it can be the physical, social, or whatever. Okay, these qualities are called hereditary, right? Next, that is body weight, height, size, and strength have a basis in genetics. And in our body, the percentage of fastest fibers and slowest fibers also depends on the genetic factor. It means if our parents have uh, the fastest fiber in their body, then definitely there will be the fastest fiber in the child also, right? This is the muscular formation, we can say. Okay, second topic is environmental factor. In this, social factors and physical surroundings plays a vital role in motor development. In which environment you lives, that environment, definitely that environment affects your physical growth, affects your behavior, affects your social qualities also, right? So it plays a vital role in our life. Encouragement, love, and security of children help them to take risks, to know more about the environment. This effort leads to better sensory development of children, which is the prerequisite of motor development. It means if in this factor, in environmental factor, if uh, your security is good and the parents are taking care of you, right, and you are getting a good environment in the family and in the society, then you will be a good person, because everything is affecting your life. Okay, next is nutrition. Definitely, nutrition affects the physical fitness first. Okay, after there are so many things, other things which is affected by the nutrition, but the first thing is physical fitness. Okay, good nutrition provide good energy and better immunity power. If we'll talk about the immunity power, it means if we are not getting good in nutrition, then we can easily suffer from the different kind of diseases. If our nutrition is good, then our immunity power will be good. Okay, and we will not get easily the different diseases, or we can say we will not suffer from these kind of diseases very easily. Nutritional food promotes good motor development. The unhealthy food like fast food and junk food is an invitation to number of diseases. It means in the nutrition part we are talking about the food which gives benefit to us and which is harmful for us. Especially the fast food and junk food is very harmful for us because just because of these kind of food our immunity power gets very weak. Okay, the next topic is, or next point is, physical activities and exercises. As you know, physical activities or exercises definitely helps to promote the motor development. Okay, because if we are doing the physical activities, then we can easily digest what we had, right? So if we digest our food properly, it means we will get the good nutrition, and the same process will run again. Our immunity power will be strong and etc. So performing regular physical activities enhances the motor development at the faster rate, right? If listen, there will be growth in every child whether he is doing physical activities or not, right? But in those children's physical activity will be more faster which are doing the physical activities. They will be more stronger as compared to those which are not performing the exercises. Okay, however, the physical activities must be according to the capacity of children. In the next topic we will discuss about this topic, because the physical activity should be based on the capability of children. It means in the different age group there will be different exercises for the each and every stage of childhood, right? Those children who do not perform physical activities regularly, their motor development also becomes so slow. Okay, so next point is postural deformity. Postural deformities means the unbalanced posture of our body, unbalanced manner of our body, right? If there is no proper posture of our body, it also affects the motor development of a child. Deformities in spinal or leg or any limb hinder motor development. It means this is the hinder for the motor development. If we have some kind of postural deformity in our spinal cord and the different body parts. Okay, we are going to discuss the postural deformities in the next topic. Then you will get to know about the spinal cord related postural deformities and leg related postural deformities and so on. Okay, for the postural deformity, therefore, parental awareness is important. If your parents knows about the postural deformity, they can suggest you the different exercises which can help you in the motor development, right? Okay, some deformities like flat feet and knock knees can be easily overcome by the age. It means if parents are well aware that what kind of postural deformity is a child having, in that condition they can help the child, and they can suggest to do the corrective measures for that kind of particular that kind of postural deformity. Okay, okay. Next is opportunities. If a child is getting opportunities to involve in different kind of activities in the school, in the society, or wherever he is interested, right? Motor development of children is affected greatly by the opportunities and the facilities available to them for play activities in schools, homes, and neighborhood, right? Play and play related activities are the most important factor that affects motor development in children. If someone gets opportunities again and again, he will try much better for the next time. It means he will be motivated towards that, towards the aim, and towards the achieving the goals. Okay, through this he will be very active and agile. If a child is very active and agile, that time it definitely affects the motor development of a children, not only physically as well as mentally also. Okay, so next topic is obesity. Nowadays children are not having proper nutrition. Okay, that's why they are having obesity in the earlier age also. And obesity is the very dangerous in the earlier childhood age, because in that time he will not do, and he will not try to do any kind of physical activities, right? So the obesity is very hinder to the motor development. Okay, being overweight have negative effect on the motor development, definitely, because the child will not take interest to do the activities. The children who are overweight or obese are not enthusiastic to do any motor activities or even feel uncomfortable. So these were the points which affects a motor development or motor development in the childhood age. Thank you so much. This was the topic, and sorry for the little disturbance from the outside. Okay.